What does one American worker look like? What do 226,000 American workers look like? What do 226,000 American workers have in common? The United States boasts a heritage of proud pioneers and innovators. Their legacy, perseverance, has seen them through some challenging times. But even during grim economic periods, Airbus continued to grow its business with U.S. manufacturers and their American workers, creating high-quality products by creating highly skilled jobs. Since 1990, Airbus has spent more than $140 billion in the United States. That makes the U.S. the largest single supplier country to Airbus. Airbus is also the #1 export customer to the U.S. aerospace and defense industries. Just looking at 2012 alone, Airbus spent $13.1 billion with American suppliers, supporting 226,000 American jobs. And those numbers are growing rapidly, since Airbus announced in 2012 the development of an A320 Family final assembly line in Mobile, Alabama, an investment of some $600 million, ultimately resulting in 1,000 new jobs in a region of the country hungry for economic development. Wherever Airbus work lands in the U.S., it is celebrated.
Airbus is a very important customer for Parker Aerospace. We're proud to support all key Airbus programs, including the A350 XWB, A380, A340, and the 400M. These products are designed and built in Parker Aerospace facilities throughout the U.S., including the states of Arizona, California, Florida, Massachusetts, Michigan, New York, Ohio, South Carolina, and Utah.
Airbus has been a very important and long-standing customer of RTI International Metals. We are their North American supplier of titanium, and we've been supplying titanium products to Airbus for well over 40 years.
American companies like RTI and Parker have worked with Airbus for decades and are now working on the most recent Airbus programs, including the A350 XWB and the A380, making those aircraft the most efficient and eco-friendly in the sky, permitting sustainable growth of the global air transport industry. But while the aircraft have the wow factor, it's the people behind the process that create the success.
ATK is a proud supplier of the Airbus A350 program. We have a team of over 1,000 employees, and 250 are dedicated to the A350 program.
Expansion of companies like new supplier ATK in Clearfield, Utah, is credited directly to business with Airbus, in this case contributing to a new state-of-the-art 600,000 square foot facility and accompanying job growth for the local community. And then there are larger suppliers like Spirit AeroSystems, a company with a legacy in Airbus's competition and future as an Airbus partner. Their new composites facility produces nearly 100% Airbus product.
The presence of Airbus in Kinston, North Carolina with Spirit has been a really popular, really important aspect of the economic development for North Carolina.
Airbus is working hard and fast to double its spending with U.S. suppliers, buying goods and services from hundreds of U.S. companies in more than 40 states. And as rapidly as the contracts here multiply, so goes the size of the Airbus Americas team, which has evolved from a small sales and support staff to a network of more than 1,100 employees, a number that will nearly double very soon thanks to the Mobile final assembly line. Airbus America's headquarters in Herndon, Virginia, is home to sales, marketing, communications, customer service, and procurement for Airbus customers in North America, which are among Airbus's largest customers in the world. Just down the road in Ashburn, Virginia, is the 24-hour Airbus Spare Center, humming round the clock, shipping aircraft parts and tools to customers in the Americas. Airbus opened its first engineering center outside Europe in 2002 in Wichita, Kansas. Now Airbus's largest American facility, nearly 400 engineers there are focused on aerostructures design and analysis of new and existing models of Airbus aircraft. The southernmost U.S. facility is Airbus Training Center in Miami, Florida. The custom-built complex is dedicated to training more than 3,000 aircrew each year and a range of full-flight simulators, trainers, and computer-based instruction. Airbus America's engineering in Mobile, Alabama, houses hundreds of engineers responsible for designing cabin interiors, spanning the entire aircraft lifecycle from initial development to upgrade of customer aircraft already in service. And that team will soon be joined by the team of new Airbus employees who will run the new Mobile final assembly line. The excellent reputation of Airbus is as dependent upon its employees as it is on the quality of work at its network of U.S. suppliers. Lasting relationships have formed over the years between Airbus and its partners behind the scenes. So what do 226,000 American workers have in common?
The A350 program allows us to increase our workforce and bring more jobs to ATK and the community.
This has been a great opportunity for RTI and for the folks at RTI to supply Airbus.
And we'll have an opportunity to see firsthand the great products that we're making together.
We're proud that our products are helping the Airbus fleet fly worldwide.